Hello, namaste. Welcome to the Yoga Pantry with me, Natasha, and we have gone through all of the 7 main chakras. Now, there's a lot of different traditions that believe that there are a whole lot more chakras from 9 to 12 to 13 to 26. So it's whatever you want to delve into, go for it, whatever floats your boat. But the main traditional, most commonly known chakras are the 7 that we've been through. So today we're going to do a practice that really encompasses bringing all of those chakras online and into balance and allowing us to bring ourselves into a state of conscious alignment, centered contentment, and a deep sense of well-being and inner peace. So roll out your yoga mat and let's begin. Right, we're going to start, of course, at the bottom. We're going to work our way up and then back down again. So we're going to start with our root chakra coming into Tarasana. Remember from our Muladhara, our root chakra session, where we talked about a lot of standing poses being very grounded, very strong, very stable, stabilizing root chakra poses. So that's where we're going to begin in our Tadasana or Samastiti. So when I learned it, Samastiti equals standing or equilibrium in space, Tadasana, mountain pose. So we're going to be a nice, balanced, strong, sturdy mountain. Close your eyes. Tail lengthening to the ground, chin slightly tucked. Reach up through your crown, get a sense of your body. Are you a little bit wonky? Are you a little bit uneven? Are you a little bit twisted to one side? See if you can get a sense of standing completely upright, centered, grounded, relaxed at the same time. So not locking your joints, soften your knees. I want you to connect to your Ujjayi breath. That's that constriction in the back of the throat that we worked with in our throat chakra. It's a lovely purifying breath. It's also a very lovely stabilizing and grounding and strengthening breath. So even though I talked about it being mainly a throat chakra breathing practice, it's also very much a root chakra breath practice. So constricting the back of the throat like a little whisper, and then feeling and listening to the breath as it moves through the body. As you center yourself here with your Ujjayi breath, find an intention, a sankalpa, a resolve, if you will. It could be a word, a feeling, a phrase, an affirmation, but something that will light you up, energize you, ground you, anchor you. Listen to that Ujjayi breath. Repeating your intention a few times, and repeat it and send it down into the base of your body with your breath. As you exhale, pull the pelvic floor up, or the perineum. Just gently draw that up, draw the belly in slightly. Feel that Ujjayi breath move through the throat. Bring your attention to your third eye. Inhale, keep that energy pulling up and in. Exhale, keep that energy pulling up and in. This is your central channel breathing. So we're bringing the energy right up through all of the chakras. Pull up through the base of the body. Little Mula Bandha root chakra lock. So we pull up through the perineum, through the pelvic floor. And we hold in our strength at the solar plexus there, at the belly button even. We constrict the throat, and we roll our gaze, our internal gaze, to the third eye. Keep your Ujjayi breath flowing. Pull all of that energy up and in. It releases a little bit when you inhale, but we want to keep it there for now. Exhale, pull it up and in again. Inhale. Exhale, draw it up and in. Inhale, let it go. Inhale, pull it up and in. Exhale, let it go. Inhale, pull it up and in. Exhale, let it go. Inhale, pull it up and in. Exhale, keep holding, pulling it up. Out through the crown. Inhale, up and in. Exhale, out through the crown. Inhale, up and into the heart. Exhale, up and out through the crown. Inhale, up and into the heart. Exhale, up and out through the crown. And then open your eyes, deep breath in. Stretch up, expand the heart, and bring the hands down in front of your heart space. I'm going to step to the top of my mat. Interlace your fingers, turn your palms up. Rise to your toe balance. Connect down through the big toe balls. Draw down the energy from the base of the body into the ground. Anchoring, anchoring, anchoring. Release and soften down. Hang. As you hang out here, bring your awareness to your Swadhisthana, that sacral chakra. You can get a little more feeling here as we hang out upside down, feeling into your sacrum a little bit, and keep it fluid, little softness. Let the body dangle. You can hold your elbows or your knees or be a little higher. Shift the weight side to side. And then press through the feet, roll and rise. Rise, breathe the energy all the way up to your crown and send it up to the universe. Exhale, hands to your heart space. Interlace those fingers again. Exhale, reach to your side. Bringing your focus to the lower chakras there, the root chakra, keeping you grounded and strong, the sacral chakra, nice and fluid, and your solar plexus or even at your belly button, your third chakra, your powerhouse. Inhale back to center. Exhale to the other side. Inhale back to center and exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Step back into a downward facing dog and walk it out. Spread your fingers nice and wide. Build the foundation of your pose. Spreading into your hands, spreading into your feet, and lengthening up through your sitting bones. Relaxation through the neck. Breathe here for 5, 4. Feel the belly draw in as you exhale. Little Uddiyana Bandha, upward flying energy. 3, 2, 1. As you exhale, press up to the toes, round the back, chin into the chest. Go ahead and drop your knees down, sink down into a child's pose, just folding in to yourself, finding a little quiet space, and rock a little bit from side to side. Again, our focus here is in the material, the physical chakras of the security and comfort and safety, confidence, strength, as well as fluidity and creativity. Inhale, roll and rise up. Vajrasana, thunderbolt, connecting to your third chakra, hands in front of your heart space. Interlace your fingers, breathe up. Exhale, open. Inhale, take it up. Exhale, hands to your heart space. Inhale, fingers down. Exhale, fingers in. Interlace those fingers, reach up. Exhale, open and reach out to your side. Draw up, inhale to lift the chest. Exhale over to the side. Continue to exhale as you begin the lift, and then inhale to rise. Exhale, hands in front of your heart space. Interlace those fingers, reach up. And exhale, release. Come onto your back. And we're going to release the left leg down to the ground. Pull your right knee in. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, squeeze yourself up, connecting to that solar plexus, to your third chakra, your digestive fire, your Agni. Try not to strain the neck here. Pull this in and inhale, soften. Exhale, pull it up. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. Inhale, down. Extend the leg and release. Pull your other knee in. Squeeze it in. Lengthen through your body. Deep breath in. Exhale, round. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. Inhale, down. Extend the leg and release. Reach your arms overhead. Stretch out through your whole body. Run the energy right up through the spine, all the way to the crown. Shushumna Nadi, that central energy. Breathe into it. And then release. Hug the knees in and roll yourself up onto your knees, onto your hands and knees to be precise. Stacking wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. And then push the floor away, round into your cat stretch. And inhale, open through that heart space. Exhale, rounding. Inhale, opening, heart chakra. Exhale, round. Inhale, open. Exhale, round. Inhale, open. Exhale, round. Right arm, left leg. Inhale, lengthen. And then bring it in. Exhale. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, pull it in. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, pull it in. Now find your flow. Play with those limbs. Tap into your creativity. Tap into your sense of freedom and flow and comfort. Find the strength, the stability through your root chakra. Reach out. Pull it in. Exhale. Firing up your digestive system. Inhale. And exhale. Release. Round. Expand. And round. Expand. And extend into your left arm, right leg. On your next exhale, pull it in. Inhale. Exhale. Try not to open the right hip out to the side. Keep it squared up and bring it in. And extend. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Lots of strength and stability required. And now tap in to your fluidity. Find comfort. Find movement, creativity, flow. Be brave. Be courageous. Be outrageous. Be adventurous. Breathe and then extend and exhale. Release. Round. Move a little bit forward and back. Move around in a circle of fluid movement. Tap into the fluidity, the femininity of your second chakra. Close your eyes, explore, experience, feel. Tap into the realm of feeling here. Keep your breath flowing. Find what feels good, beneficial. Follow your instincts. If you want to rise up to your down dog, go for it. If you don't, stay down. And keep that fluidity flowing in your down dog if that's where you are. Play, be brave. Keep finding lots of different things and ways to express yourself. Invent something new. And then find stillness. Downward facing dog. Breathe. And then roll yourself like a wave from the tail all the way to the crown into a plank. Take yourself down to the ground, knees, chest, chin, release. Shrug your shoulders back, hands out to the side, dance your cobra. Open your heart. Dance your cobra. And then settle it down. Shrug the shoulders back. Find firmness from the toes all the way up to the hips and lift the chest. Inhale, lift higher. Exhale, press into your downward facing dog. Right leg steps forward. Take a low lunge and breathe your arms up. And then open the wings of your heart and bring the arms up and open and up and open and up. So here we've got all of our lower chakras working for us all the way up to the heart. And then release. Top of your mat, forward fold. Half lift. And bow. Right foot steps back. And find that freedom again. Inhale. Open the wings. And up. Open your wings. And up. Open your wings and find your freedom. And release. Top of the mat, hang out, lengthen, stillness. Press through the feet, roll, rise gently, stacking the vertebra. Inhale, reach up to the heavens, pull the energy down. Down, press down through the feet. Inhale, find your drishti, move the weight to the right leg, find your tree pose. Remember, avoid the knees so you can have the foot on the shin, or you can lift it higher, pressing heel into thigh, thigh into heel. And we're going to open the middle fingers, index, middle, and ring finger, and keep connected through the sides of the thumbs and the sides of the little fingers, and down into a lovely big chalice. Open that energy, let it pour down into the hands, and then open the heels of the palms and let that pour down into the body. Bring the fingertips together, draw the energy down. Circle it up. If you're comfortable, balanced here, and if you're brave, look up. Otherwise, just keep looking at your one spot. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Swap. Move the weight over to the other side. Breathe into it. Bring the hands together in front of the heart space. If you want to take the leg higher, go for it. Connecting heel into thigh, thigh into heel. Find that drishti, and then bringing the hands up. Breathe into it. Hands overhead, and connect the heels of the palms. Connect thumb and little fingers to the sides of each other. Open up the 3 middle fingers. Channel the energy from the universe down. Fill that cup. Open the base of the hands, connecting the fingertips. Pour it down. Pour it down into your body. Pull the hands down. Keep finding that drishti. Keep finding that balance. Keep finding that focal point. Sweep the hands up. Extending arms open. Now if you're wobbly, just stay as you are. If you're feeling confident, you can slowly shift your gaze skywards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Inhale, sweep the hands up, stretch those legs out wide, bend the knees, reach open and extend out to the side. Circle around and extend over to the other side. Inhale, rise up, straighten those legs. Gather the energy, pull it down, bend the knees, open out and over to the other side. Circle around, rising up through the side of the body, and then extend, reach up, turn the feet in, and exhale, fold down. Slide the hands down the legs or reach for the floor or a prop. Lifting through your sitting bones. Breathe deeply, bringing your awareness here to your third eye area. Keep your Ujjayi breath going. Inhale, lift, right hand to the floor, both hands to the floor, or a prop. And then connecting the right hand down underneath that shoulder. You can turn your right foot out as well. Lift through the left side, stretch, open through the heart, lengthen from the tail to the crown for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn that right foot in, place your left hand on the ground, turn the left foot out, reach open through the right side, breathe, lengthen through the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn everything in, lengthen and fold. Exhale. Hands, fingertips can come in line with the toes, or you can reach your hands behind you or through the legs or around to the heels or big toes, just whatever you feel is serving you and feels good right now. And then rise all the way up and step the feet in and see your heart space. Whew. Shake it off. Come back to your Tadasana. Drop the chin down towards the chest. Soften the knees. Roll down, 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 down. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Go ahead. Step your right foot back. Low lunge. Breathe it up. Exhale, open. And then tuck that back foot under if it's not. Reach open through the knee. Right hand comes down and open out to the left side. Lengthen through your spine. Bring the energy to your throat. Exhale, release, step back, plank or downward facing dog for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's that line through the spine. Down dog if you're not there. And then right foot forward. Breathe into it. Find your low lunge. Lift that back leg. Plant the left hand open through the right side. Breathe, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, exhale, release, step back, plank, downward facing dog, hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, knees down, sink down, child's pose. Inhale, roll up, Vajrasana. Exhale, open the hands to the heart. Widen your knees, turn your fingertips down, coming into Simhasana. Roaring lion, deep breath in. Tongue out, widen the face as you look down. Inhale up. Let it go. Push back, round the back. Inhale. One more. And then release the hands. Turn one palm up, one palm down. Release other side. And then release. And bring those legs back in and press into your downward facing dog. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift up to the toes, round the back. Shift into your plank. Knees, chest, chin, release. Breathe in, cobra. Tuck the body up, plank, downward facing dog. Go ahead, step right foot forward, turn left foot out, rise up into your warrior 2. Bring the hands up straight in the front leg, angel warrior. Gaze up to the sky, send the energy from the third eye up to the ceiling. And then exhale, warrior 2. Back hand comes behind you, front hand scoops up to the sky, reach it back. Reverse warrior, gaze to the ceiling. Breathe, hold. And then bring the hand behind you, turn your back foot in, walk your front foot out slightly, clasp your hands, come down, humble warrior. And breathe into it, crown of the head dropping to the ground, or you can be up higher in an arrowhead pose if you prefer. Exhale, release, step back, plank or downward facing dog for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Downward facing dog if you're not there yet. Left foot steps forward, right foot turns out. Come up into your warrior 2. Open your inner thigh muscles, spiral it up and back. Pull your ribcage back in line with the center of your body. Lift the body, lengthen the front leg, gaze up. Energy up through your third eye. Exhale, warrior 2. Find that lovely open warrior, grounded, creative, open, willing, brave, caring, loving, generous. Back hand comes behind you, front hand turns up, reach up and back. Breathe into it. And then circle that top hand behind you, turn your back foot in, your hips in slightly, clasp your hands and come over. You can stay high or all the way down, crown reaching to the ground. And breathe and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release, step back, down dog or plank for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can go chaturanga, baby chaturanga, or all the way down, coming down to the ground. Breathe in, cobra. Tuck the body back into a child's pose. Settle. Hands can come to your side as we go into hare pose. You can roll up to the center of the forehead here, or you can bring your hands behind you, clasp the hands, lift up your rabbit ears. 5, 4, or you can just stay in child's pose if that's better. Now you would have encountered all of these poses in the past 7 weeks of content, so they hopefully are familiar. Exhale, release, come down and settle, child's pose. Extend your arms out in front, clasp your hands, lift the hips, press dolphin, reaching up and back through the sitting bones, crown of the head reaching down, but not on the ground if you can help it. Press through those arms, lengthen energy from the crown to the tail, down to the heels. And then out to your modified plank, we're going to bring our right forearm across the body to roll. Feet can be offset, lift into your hips, or you can stack your feet into a little side plank just to work the core, fire up the Agni and connect to that powerhouse at the center of our body. Roll to the other side, lift into your side plank here. Lengthen the energy right from the tail to the crown. Release, press into your full plank, downward facing dog. Walk your hands back to your feet and dangle. Not reverse, but actual ragdoll. Press through the feet, draw the belly in, roll and rise. Inhale, up to the sky. Exhale, hands down. Rub your hands together. Place them on your knees. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Inhale, rise up. Let the energy pour in from the heavens. Gather it up, bring it to your heart. Breathe, deep breath. Inhale, sweep it up, gather that energy in. 5, 4, 3. Open yourself up to it, bring it all into your body, pull it down, down, down. Push it down to the toes. And then let it run back up to your crown and stand in your Tadasana. Bring your internal gaze to that space between your eyebrows. Gazing at that internal screen, your Chakras. Soften your knees, lengthen your tail, hug the ribs in slightly, tuck the chin slightly. And then drop your awareness to the throat and drop the chin towards the chest. Keep your Ujjayi breath going. And then reverse ragdoll, soften your knees, soften your hips, relax your arms, let the head draw the body down, rolling down, down, down. Hanging out upside down. Half left and fold. Step back, right leg, low lunge, breathe the arms up and open the wings of your heart, open the throat. Exhale, release, step to the top of your mat. Half left and fold. Left foot steps back, low lunge, again open up, open, third eye, throat, chest. And then release. Step back into your downward facing dog. Roll through your down dog into your plank, firing up your core, your Manipura chakra. And then sink down. Shifting the hips back, widen out your knees. Bring your big toes together. Wide-legged child's pose. Sinking down into our second chakra, Tadasana. Let the heart melt into the floor as well. Let the inner thighs open. If you like, you can thread your left arm through for a little bit of a shoulder stretch and bring your right arm behind you, or it can stay in front of the face or overhead. And then rise and maybe thread the other way, or you can stay exactly as you are. And then release. Sink down again. And if you want, you can move. I'll just move around so my knees stay on the mat. Move the feet, the legs out, feet out, coming into a frog pose. So we moved all the way up to the crown and we're moving back down to the root again. You want your hips, they can be slightly forward or slightly back at this position. If things are super uncomfortable, just keep the toes facing in your wide-legged child's pose as you were. Just a few more breaths here. And then gently, maybe push to one side to get out of it. Oh, it's been a while since I've done that one. Little counter pose, child's pose, knees together. Inhale to rise up, come onto your back. And just a little bridge lifting up through the base of the body all the way up. And this bridge, we're going to let the arms come over so the chin and the chest meet. We get that little chin lock, Jalandhara Bandha. And bring your focus to the crown and to the third eye. And then roll down from the crown, third eye, chin, chest, lower back, all the way through those chakras until your hips settle on the floor. You can have your knees stacked, or you can release your left leg and take the right leg over across the body into a twist. So finding a twist that suits you here. Release, shift the hips and twist to the other side. Yes, as always, just finding the sensations that feel good in your body, the stretches that do good for you and make you feel delicious. And then gently come out and Shavasana. Now if you prefer, you can hang for a few breaths in a little reclined butterfly, or you can Shavasana with props underneath the knees or a very, very thin cushion under the head. But let the feet fall out to the sides, arms out from your sides. And surrendering yourself into this pose, corpse pose. Surrender yourself back to the earth, becoming grounded once more. Relax any tension that remains. Let your breath soften, let your awareness run up and down the spine, the central column of the body. And then just let that go too, and let yourself dissolve, melt into nothingness, into all there is, into contentment and comfort and peace. And you can stay here as long as you like, just blissing out. Full, excuse me, full chakra tune-up. From tail to crown and back down. Hopefully feeling your body deeply relaxed yet vibrating with energy. Stay as long as you like. Whenever you're ready to rejoin the physical world, you can stretch, wriggle, curl up to your side, just find your way back eventually in any way that feels good. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through the chakras. I will see you again soon with something else equally as exciting. Please share these videos with all your friends. The more people that like and share our stuff, the better it is for the world and me. So if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead, subscribe, press the little notification bell. I put out videos regularly, so I will see you very, very soon. Have a fab week. Thank you.